Do this trick to eliminate negative energies from your home. Have more peace of mind and attract prosperity. First, I will teach you how to do it, and then what it is for. Agreed? Let's go. The first thing you'll need is to get a mask like this one. You will cut it in the middle. And then you will see that you will have this little pocket, see? Well, when it's like this, just put a clove of garlic and a bay leaf inside, okay? Then look for something to hold it in. Tie it up so that it stays firm and doesn't come out, okay? A little garter, it can even be a thread, okay? After you've attached everything, just put it under your pillow every time you go to sleep. Guys, comment on which city you are watching us so I can send you a hug. But what is it good for? Well, we can all count on the good energy that garlic and bay leaves bring into our lives. By doing this every night before bed, you will be getting away from negative energies. The vibrational power of garlic and also of the bay leaf in our lives has been spoken about since long ago. To keep us away from bad energies, one of the heaviest energies in which garlic is super powerful is to keep away envy. You have constant nightmares or insomnia, you live nervous. Or the people in your house are also nervous. Of these four, if you have even 3 of these symptoms, you certainly have heavy envy inside your house. The role of the bay leaf in this tip is fundamental. Because besides bringing peace of mind, it attracts prosperity and abundance and is very common. For example, keep a bay leaf in your wallet, so that it never fits your money and that it attracts more and more. Surely you have heard this somewhere. At some point in your life. With so many positive spiritual prosperities. This plant you will already feel lighter, less nervous. It is important that you renew the garlic and bay leaf every 7 days. Every 7 days by throwing away the used one and putting new ones in its place. But you don't need to change the mask. It can remain the same. So, in case you do this tip, I invite you to come back to this video in 3 days and tell me if you are feeling lighter according to the channel. Prosperity starts to appear in a few weeks. But it is important that you believe. And do you believe? If so, let us know in the comments. Tell us if you will do it or not. I'll wait for you in the next video. God be with you all. And bye-bye.